Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to complete the journal onboarding process for Zatca integration in Invent ERP. Let's get started. From All Apps, head to Accounting. Next, go to Configuration. Select Accounting. Then open Journals. Here, you will be able to view all the available journals. From the list, select your Customer Invoice Journal. Here, you will need to enter the OTP code provided by the Fatoora Portal. Make sure the Zatca API mode matches the mode selected in the Fatoora Portal. Since our company is currently set to simulation mode, we will generate the OTP from the Fatoora Simulation Portal. In the Fatoora Simulation Portal, head to Onboard New Solution Unit, Device. Enter the number of OTP codes you want to generate. Generate the OTP, then copy it. Paste it into the OTP field in your journal and click Confirm. And that's it, your journal is now successfully onboarded and ready for Zatca compliant invoicing within Invent ERP. Now that the onboarding in simulation mode is successful, go back to your company settings and change the Zatca API mode to production. Then follow the same steps again, but this time generate the OTP from the Fatoora production portal.